Hey, I am in my mid 30s. I taught myself to code about 5, 6 years ago, and I have just had a huge desire to become a developer, software engineer since I learned my first line of code. I've switched careers into web development. Worked as legal support for many years, worked as a database expert, Excel expert, and I discovered code while I was doing that, and that's what led me to becoming a web development teacher. And now I'm a software engineering contractor, and I'm actively looking for a full-time role. So please do hit up my portfolio page, DM me on Twitter. I would love to chat with you about any openings that you have for especially React front-end developers. Um, but I'm definitely open to talking to you about a position that you think I would be a great fit for. Please do check out my portfolio site. It's techieeliot.com, and that's Eliot with one L, one T. So techieeliot.com. Please check that out. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.
Yeah, and Elliot, just to kind of talk a little bit more before we drop into it, you've been working on like a side project too, right, with a bunch of other people. So you're kind of like leading a project too. So you're already having like some experience with this. Do you want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, definitely. Thanks for bringing that up. I lead a company of contractors. It's called DevSouth Consulting LLC, and we're currently building a legal platform for a mediator that's in the Atlanta area.
Okay.
And yeah, we built it using Laravel for the back end, and I have an amazing DevOps and database architect guy, and then front end guy, and myself, uh, we handle the React side of things. And I mean, we all handle a lot of the React, but we lead that side of it. And I'm very fortunate to have found these guys. I did boot camp with them,
Oh,
and I
that's
also
cool.
was able to recruit my instructor to join us. So
Nice.
we have a
Now the
senior
teacher becomes the
engineer on the
student.
team.
Yeah.
Yeah, and but yeah, I mean, this is a client that I deal with, the client every week. We have a meeting, and tomorrow we're actually demoing some document upload onto a case. So that's going to be a big deal in the morning. I'll be uh, probably late into the night working on that to
Ah,
get that demo done. But
Very cool.
we'll we've got most of it working. It's just some fine tuning at this point. But I have an amazing team, like you mentioned, and I really enjoy leading them. And it's been a real a dream come true for me in that way. Just being able to lead a team and also work in React. I love development and especially love the front end React side, and